we are going to celebrate this day. Before this already we have celebrated our Independence Day on 15th August. But do you know that in which how many days we got this constitution? How much time it has taken to make and who made this? कितना टाइम लिया है संविधान को बनने में, किसने कितना योगदान दिया है? आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, ऑफ अवर कंट्री. बट टाइम उन्होंने लिया है 2 साल 11 महीने 18 दिन. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट.
इनको शस्त्र दो, बनाने इनको शस्त्र दो, तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किसमें तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है. चरित्र जब पवित्र है, तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरे वजूद की, समय को भी तलाश. दोहराना है, न ठहरा था न ठहरा हूं, न ठहरा था न ठहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा.
I am Madhuri Yadav, standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Republic Day. But before, I would like to wish who are present here a very happy Republic Day. I am so enthralled when my class teacher told me a few days back that you have been selected to deliver a speech on 26th of January. I am very excited, but a little nervous also because I never did As we all know, today we gather here to celebrate a auspicious day of Republic Day, which known as Ganatantra Divas. And as we all know that on this day in 1950, our full constitution came into effect. It was adopted on 1949 under the chairman Sri Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Him as a father of Indian constitution. He is the one greatest leader modern India at that time. As our principal ma'am hoists the national flag, similarly the President of India hoists the flag at Rajpath. Every year they invite different guests from different countries. The President of India gives some important award like Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra to the soldiers of India and Bravery Award to the citizens of India. We must keep the ideas of our freedom fighter so that we can value the freedom. We must just before their sacrifices. So let's pledge that we all will to maintain peace and harmony. Must we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters so that we can value the freedom we got just before their sacrifices. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to say patriotism is just like charity. Patriotism is just like charity. Must begin at home. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, I love my India।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love
कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी ऐसा देश है मेरा।
Dear friends, I am Ankita Yadav of class 8th. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I am sharing the dream of our freedom fighters. On 26 January, every year we celebrate the Republic Day in India. In 1950, the Constitution was implemented by our freedom fighters and politicians. India turned into a secular and democratic nation with written Constitution of this day. On this day, all the workplaces stay closed at this day to celebrate as national occasions. Schools, universities, and other institutions commemorate this day with incredible parade and show. We participate in different competitions in our schools.
Names are here. Class 11, Miss Roshni Meena. Class 12, Sumita. Class 12, Sumita. Where are you, Sumita? Tell me, I am the student of the year. It's every time smiling face. Maybe she is feeling any anxiety, but she will not say even one word. She will not say any backbiting words about colleagues, about teachers, about administrators. Not at all. Even a single moment whole year. Every time she is looking very caring towards children. If she feels that I can move there, she will run, not only walking. वो इस बात में विश्वास करती है कि अगर किसी बच्चे को उसकी जरूरत है तो वो चलती नहीं है, वो दौड़ कर जाती है. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू रोशनी, रियली, and learn so much. And that is Sumita. You know very well, Sumita is caring, sober, every time. If she feels okay, some excuses has given by her, then again she will come. Oh ma'am, so sorry ma'am. Again I will do. And every time she is caring about colleagues also. And you know, every moment she thinks about the teachers like this, that she is the children, not like a student. Like our children obey to the parents, she obey to the children. So give a big hand for both of them. I am proud of you both. Miss Deepika, I don't know, Deepika, Mrs. Kanchan, that's all, am I right? Malvi, okay, Mrs. Kanchan, I need a I'm very sure that this team is here with me and always they will be. So definitely in coming years our school will be the shining star of this area. We can promise to ourselves only need of our dedication and
To care, to innovate,